In today's video, I'll be talking about breakout trading strategy. Breakout trading strategy is one of the most common type of strategy that is out there between professional trader, intermediate trader, and beginner trader. So in today's video, I'll be going through step-by-step guide and the kind of breakout that you should trade on your chart, because not all breakout that you see on the Forex chart is important and the kind that you should pay attention to on your chart. All of these and more in today's video. If this is your first time on this channel, please support this channel with a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other Forex videos and technical analysis. So breakout trading strategy. When do we see the market breakout? If you look at this very chart right here, you see that we have area where the market broke out of a higher high. Let's say, for example, we have this very point, market breakout at this very area and move a little bit upward and then come back right now. We can also say market breakout at this very point with this very candle. So this is breakout in an uptrend. This is very, very clear. So for this breakout trading strategy, we have types of breakout of higher high and lower low. What that means is breakout of higher high in case the market is moving to the upside, and breakout of lower low in case the market is moving to the downside. So higher high kind of breakout happen in an uptrend, while lower low kind of breakout happen in a downtrend, and I will show you that in a moment. If you look at the USDJPY chart right here, as you can see, the market move all the way from this very point right here, move up, and then we have an impulse, we have a retracement here, and the market move to the upside. This very point is a point of breakout we see on the chart. So market breakout of a higher high at this very point and move upward. The market retrace again and the market move up. A breakout happen at this very point as well. And then from this very area right here, market breakout, move upward. If you look at it, market did not break out again on this very level of resistance, which is also a higher high at this very point. So we can say that the market breakout at this very point, move up, breakout, and then move to the upside. If you can look at this very chart very well, you discover that if the market breakout at this very point, as you can see on the chart, and you take a trade after the breakout, which is specifically on this very candle right here, you see that the market did not really move upward anymore before it then retrace. If you also look at this very area where we see the market breakout on this very level of resistance right here, so the breakout happened with this very candle. So if you take a trade here, then the market just move a little bit and then begin to consolidate within this very area. So this breakout as well, market has already moved all the way from this level of support before the breakout happened. One thing very important about this kind of breakout is that it's a breakout that is in an uptrend and it's a breakout at higher high position. If you look at on the flip side in a downtrend, if you look at this very chart, you discover that the market at this very point breakout of lower low. So from this very point right here, we have a breakout with this very candle, and the market moved down a little bit before this retracement to the upside. And then if you look at it again, we have a very important lower low at this very point. Market breakout a little bit at this very area, and then what happened? Market begin to move to the upside. What that means is that breakout of higher high and lower low, that is higher high in terms of an uptrend and lower low in a downtrend, is not a best kind of breakout that you should be looking out for on your chart. And the reason is because before you take the trade on the breakout position, the market has been moving all the way from here before the breakout happened at this very point. So it means that you are already entering the market late after the breakout. The same thing with this right here. You see the market move all the way from here and we see the breakout happen at this very point. So you are already entering the market late at this very area after the breakout on this very level of resistance. So it is not a best idea, or it's not a good time to take a trade when market has already broken out of a higher high position in an upward trend in this formation. The same thing, it is not a nice idea to trade breakout on lower low position. Let's say, for example, if you take this trade when the market broke out on this very area of support, you discover that you could have entered this trade with this very candle formation. So after this candle, you are entering at this very point. So market just move a little bit downward and begin to retrace to the upside. This is very, very important because this kind of breakout will not give you what you want in the market. Rather, instead of the trade breakout of higher high and lower low, trade impulse pullback. What that means is after an impulse, a pullback will be a nice time for you to look for a trade opportunity from here to the downside, so that you enter the market as early as possible before the market starts moving to the downside. So this kind of breakout of higher high and lower low is not the best kind of breakout that you should be looking out for to trade on your chart. This is very, very important. Another kind of breakout that you have to pay attention to on your chart is breakout of market range. In the market structure formation, we have three kinds of market structure. We have the upward movement where market is making higher highs and higher lows, and then we have the downward movement where market is making lower lows and lower highs, and we have a ranging market where market is moving within a range, a boundary of resistance and support. So this ranging market can actually break out of this position anytime soon. Okay, so for breakout of market range, is very important for you to pay attention to a range in the market. So once you picture out the range, your focus should be on the resistance and on the support. So let's say, for example, this resistance right here and then this very support. Breakout on this level of resistance is going to send the market back upward in an upward trend, and then if you see a breakout right here on this level of support, it means that the market will move downward with lower lows and lower highs to the downside. So for breakout on market range, is very important for you to pay attention to the support and the resistance, and once the breakout occur, that market is going to move sporadically to the upside. What that means is that you should trade breakout of market range. It is a good breakout to trade compared to breakout of higher high and lower low. Higher high for an uptrend and lower low for a downtrend. So this is the kind of breakout that you should be paying attention to and looking out for on your chart to trade, instead of trading the higher high and lower low kind of breakout. This is very, very important, and this is the second kind of breakout that you will find in the market. Now, the last kind of breakout that I want to talk about is the breakout of consolidation, which is my best kind of breakout. Okay, so the breakout of consolidation, this is how it looks like. Let's say, for example, market was coming back to the downside with lower lows and lower highs, and all of a sudden we see a change in the market direction to the upside. So market move upward and then retrace, move up again, and the market consolidate. Market consolidation means that the candles are moving side by side. So if you see a candle moving side by side in this formation, it means the market is consolidating. All you need to do is to wait for the market to break out of this consolidation zone. So once you see a breakout of consolidation zone for an uptrend with a bullish candle to the upside, once you see that bullish candle close, is the right time for you to take a position for the market to move to the upside. So for a breakout of consolidation in an uptrend, it is the perfect kind of breakout that you have to look out for on your chart to trade, and I will show you that in a moment on the price action. So this is very important. The same thing happens when the market is moving to the downside. So if the market was moving upward in this formation and all of a sudden the market come to a point of reversal and the market begin to move downward, so market move down and then retrace and then come back down again, and then we have a consolidation. So after consolidation, market will still break out and move to the downside. So this is the kind of breakout that you should treat. Like I said earlier, Breakout of consolidation means that the candles are moving side by side, okay? Not that the candle retrace upward, okay, in this formation. No, market have to be in a side by side formation, and then once you see a bearish candle that breaks below every other close within this region, then market is going to come back to the downside. So this is breakout of consolidation position or breakout of consolidation mode. This is very, very important. Let me show you that on the chart. So this is the kind of breakout that you must have to pay attention to and trade on your chart. If you look at this very area, we see a consolidation market at this very point. The market was moving side by side on this very area. If you notice, market was moving all around this area with this candle side by side. This is an indication that there is a build-up of momentum around this area. And once we see this breakout, market have a high chance of have capacity of moving to the downside. And exact same thing we see right here after this very candle formation, the next candle market begin to move downward. So if you place a trade here with a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, you should get that very trade perfectly well. So this is the kind of breakout that you should be looking out for on your chart. If you also look at this very point as well, we see a perfect consolidation market at this very area. You see, market was moving downward, and then we see a consolidation right here. So after the consolidation, what happened? Market breakout with this very candle, and afterward, market begin to move to the downside. So breakout of consolidation in this very formation is the best kind of breakout that you must have to look out for on your chart for trading. So pay attention to trading the breakout of consolidation. And like I said earlier, this is how a consolidation market looks like. So when market is moving side by side like this, or the candle is moving side by side, it means that the market is building momentum and the market is definitely going to break out. And if you look at this very area, market from here break out of this very level of consolidation. So after this breakout with this very candle, see what the market did. Market moved significantly downward. So with this position, you can have a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio from this kind of breakout. So this is the kind of breakout that you should be looking for on your chart. Don't trade the breakout of lower low. What that means is if market move impulse and then retrace and then move impulse again, don't wait for when the market will break out on this level of support, because if you take the trade around this very area, the market has already moved all the way from this very point downward. And what that means is that market will not move any much longer after the breakout. Just like you can see, market just move a little bit downward and then begin to retrace back upward. So this is very, very important. So this is the kind of breakout that you should be looking out for on your chart. Breakout of consolidation is a perfect kind of breakout that you should be trading. So this is what you need to watch on your chart. If you are new to this channel, please support this channel by liking this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. If you want to learn how to trade forex professionally, please check the description of this video right now. You see contact and reach out to me immediately. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.